was so excited for the hiking today at Dogwood Canyons. Before we even step into the canyons, the first stop here is a small museum, and I didn't expect this at all. Inside, you will find a massive fossil bones that instantly remind you of how ancient this land really is. The giant bones here come from animals that were in this region thousands of years ago, when this land looked nothing like it does today. Standing next to them, it's hard not to feel small and curious about how many layers of history are still hidden beneath the ground we are about to walk into. First the museum, then the waterfall. Not the canyon yet. We are going to the treehouse first, because after hiking, we may be way too exhausted to enjoy it.
Here we are in the treehouse at Dogwood Canyon. Honestly, if you come into this treehouse, every other treehouse you go into will be a disappointment. However, I started thinking about it. Any house built of wood is technically a treehouse.
I wish my younger self would have seen this treehouse. It would feel like a dream come true. I still enjoy it now, of course, but nothing compares to the excitement a kid would feel here. That's why we didn't stay for too long and head off to start our hike. Our kind of adult joys, I guess. Dogwood Canyon might look completely nature, but it's actually a man-developed canyon. Johnny Morris started it as a non-profit nature preserve dedicated to conservation and education, from 2,000 acres back in 1990 to more than 10,000 acres now. We are now walking into station number 5, the Hope Wilderness Chapel. Complete in 2002 and designed as a replica of an 1800s church. It was handcrafted by Dogwood Canyon staff using local materials like short-leaf pine logs, oak floors, and an eastern red cedar ceiling. It sits up to 120 guests and is still used today for weddings, meetings, and special service.
Time for dinner.
This is one of those places where time seems to slow down, where simple moments quietly turn into lasting memories. It's an ideal spot for families, especially fathers and children, to try fishing in the crystal clear streams. Dogwood Canyon is known for its rainbow trout, ready for a catch. Whether it's a child holding a rod for the first time or someone more experienced, everyone gets to feel that small rush of joy when the fish finally come up. We love walking slowly, really taking our time to absorb the beauty of the canyon. But if you are visiting with a big family or kids, biking is also a popular way to explore. Many people bring their own bicycles, and it's a fun, easy way to cover more ground while still enjoying the scenery.
What is it? There are bicycles here. Does it look like the drunken fruit that we had in Vietnam? It look a bit like that, look.
Do slower. Maybe a walnut. Does that look like a walnut to you?
I don't know.
Look.
Oh. Huh.
Yeah, it must be a walnut.
The sound of the creeks and birdsong makes every step feel like a meditation in motion. Whether you are here to soak up the views, spot wildlife, fishing, or just breathe the fresh ozone air, the scenery changes with every bend in the trail, from shaded forest groves to open overlooks where the light paints pattern on the water below. And this is the quiet highlights of Dogwood Canyons. This 16-foot deep pool glows with a bluish-green light, home to giant rainbow trout, protected in this sacred stretch of water where fishing is not allowed. As you can see, there are a lot of tiny native streamfish that thrive in this clean, spring-fed water. They stay close to the rocks and shallow areas, where the current is calmer, quietly sharing this space with the giants below. It's a reminder that this pool isn't just beautiful, it's a carefully protected living ecosystem. Behind the waterfall, a collapsed limestone cave one reached nearly 300 feet into the mountain, and as you stand here, surrounded by handcrafted ironwork and still water, it feels less like a stop on a trail and more like a pause in time.
Wonder if it got ran over already. Go off the trail. You're gonna get killed here.
Hey, it can go to the shoe, baby, don't. Bring the guy back.
Move off the trail, little guy. There you go. Gotcha. Good boy. Now, I don't really know if that snake was a boy or a girl, but do your best to get him off the trail. All right, kids? They're nice ones.
Go get them covered again.
David always says like,
Is that a coach whip? What? Is it a coach whip? Do you know what kind?
It's a rat snake or a black snake.
Well, that's what we call them here.
They're good to have. They chase off other poisonous snakes.
eat mice.
Eat mice.
Oh, good.
Yes,
Like my husband always likes those, but I'm like, I don't really like any snakes. So he's always like, no, those are good snakes.
Yeah, well, if they're eating mice, I like them.
Yeah, like one. He's not poison.
He's not venomous.
They're not venomous.
Likely. He's big, though. This is Fire Pit Cave. It's called Fire Pit Cave because they found evidence that there used to be fires in there. The fires dated back to about 3,000 years ago. Obviously now they have it gated up so nobody goes in there and gets hurt. That would be a liability. But if you lived in this valley 3,000 years ago, this cave here would be a pretty nice place to camp for the night. Kill you a little deer in this valley or catch a fish, cook it in there, and pass out for the night, get ready for the next day.
We stay quiet here, letting the water speak for itself. Places like this don't ask to be rushed, they ask to be noticed. And as we step away, the stillness lingers, following us quietly back onto the trail. Thank you for joining our journey and for taking this quiet moment with us.